Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished honored guests, and beloved community members, we gather today with hearts and reverence for those who have served our nation with unwavering dedication and sacrifice. Today, we come together for a timeless tradition, the laying of the ring. With our deep gratitude and profound respect for all those who have served and continue to serve in the armed forces, we honor their courage, their sacrifice, and their unwavering dedication to protecting our way of life. Let us all remember the families of our veterans, the spouses, children, parents, and loved ones who have supported them through their service. Their strength and resilience are a testament to the enduring bond of the military family. Thank you, veterans, for your service and sacrifice. We are forever grateful. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and beloved community members, let us bow our heads and join together in a moment of reflection. Let us offer our hearts and voices in a prayer of thanksgiving as we acknowledge the blessings that surround us. Please remain standing while singing the national anthem.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Kayang pag-ibig ay masasinamanan, alam ng puso sa titik mo'y buhay. Upang inilang, tuyagan ang magiting, sa manlulupin, di ka masisingin, sa nalagang tutok sa simulan, sa langit mo pamaw, kahilan ang tulang, awit sa pagkayang minamahal, ang isang ng patawad mo'y tagumpay na nagtitingin, ang ituwin at araw niya kailan, pamalig at titingin, lumagang araw niya, walhating pagsikta, mo'y langit sa piling mo. Ang higaya ng karnay mamami, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Today, we pay tribute to their legacy with a symbolic gesture, the offering of flowers and the laying of a root. These flowers, with their delicate beauty, represent the love that we hold in our hearts for the departed. As we approach this memorial, let us take a moment to reflect on the lives we honor today, their kindness, their courage, and the lasting impact they have had on our lives and our communities. Each petal, each leaf, each carefully crafted ribbon of this thread symbolizes the bravery, the sacrifice, and the enduring legacy of our veterans. It serves as a poignant reminder of their selflessness and unwavering commitment to our nation. With each flower we offer and each petal we lay, let us express our love, our respect, our eternal gratitude for their gifts they have bestowed upon us. Together with Dr. Eleanor M. Agapito, our president, is Mrs. Erlinda M. Dala, VP for Finance, Dr. Evelyn M. Dominguez, VP for Administration, and Mrs. Maria Aurora M. Villaferte, VP for Planning and Development. next Deputy VP for Academic Affairs, Dr. Rodolfo Acosta. For the College of Education and Graduate Studies Education, Dr. Donna B. Tevia. Graduate Studies Chemistry, Ms. Arian San Gabriel. For the College of Criminology, Mr. Antonio D. Torres. For the College of Accountancy, Business Administration and Management, Dean Nicanor A. Rigosera. For the Psychology Department, held by Mrs. Donabella G. De Los Reyes. Basic Education Director, Mrs. Dolores B. San Miguel. The Senior High School Principal and K-10 Principal, Ms. Zoila B. Espiritu and Dr. Dan Larry S. Gregorius. For the Technical Vocational Department, Mrs. Mary Catherine R. Nieses. For Human Resources Department, Mrs. Diane C. Cabingen. For Registrar's Office, Mrs. Joshua Balmoha and Mrs. Elsie Garcia. For the Accounting Department, Mr. Herman L. Babina. For our Library Department, Mrs. Mirna Enarsal. Our Guidance and Counseling Department, Mrs. Angel B. Tumake. Office of Student Affairs and Discipline, Safety and Security Office, held by Ms. Jacqueline Equipela. For Marketing Department, Mrs. Exeline U. Valencia. The Mulder Publication and CREA Department, Ms. Christine C. Capasio. The NSTP Department, Mr. Jeffrey R. Quevedo. To our Alumni Office, Mr. Teofanes E. Pan. As we stand before this memorial, let us also remember the families and loved ones who continue to carry the torch of their memory. May they find solace in the knowledge that their loved ones will never be forgotten. May the beauty of these flowers and the solemnity of this moment serve as a testament to the enduring love and remembrance that we hold for those who have passed on. Thank you for joining us in this moment of reflection and remembrance. May the memories of our loved ones live in our hearts forever.
Rap sa labas! Kanang balikat! Ulay! Sulong! Kan!
Hindi naman halata.